Absolutely wrong. What if I tell you the way you have been stretching and approaching your hamstring flexibility has been wrong all this while? Watch this video because this is going to help you, and wait till the end because the last one is the most important. You are trying to stretch your hamstring without actually helping it, without actually stretching it. And what I mean by this is, let me explain you very simply first what our hamstring actually looks like. So imagining this is your hamstring muscle. Where does it start from? Your hamstring actually starts from the end, the insertion point of your hip, literally from here, and it reaches all the way till the back of your knees, till the end of your knees, right here. So imagining this is your hamstring. And what you have been trying to do all your life, you have been trying to reach down to grab your big toes because you saw people scratching your big toes and you thought this is the end game. And to reach this will make me flexible in my hamstring. But the reality is that this really never helps you stretch your hamstring. Watch, my hands are here. When I go down, it's not going to stretch my hamstring because I am trying to go down from my spine rather than actually bringing the lift into that hamstring. How can I actually do it? Watch. So the moment I push my hip slightly back, you see me taking the hip back, the hamstring wants to open up. Watch again, taking the hip back, you see that length in the hamstring, then you see that shortening of the hamstring. Let's understand how to do it in real sense. Now that you saw the anatomy, now that you saw how it looks like, imagine these are two insertion points of your hamstring, right? So from here, you want to pull this up. You cannot do that by going down from here. You have to move your hips and your pelvic. So stand up, push that hip back. First, push that hip back. Allow your knees to bend. Let it bend. And now think of lifting up from your butt cheek. Think of lifting up, up, up. Like you're trying to point this to the up. So you want to tilt the pelvic so much that when you go down just halfway here, you automatically feel that your hamstring is already stretching. You can use blocks, you can use table and do it anywhere on a tall surface. Just literally here. So one is trying to go down here, watching and trying to reach for your big toes, but no. The other one is trying to push that hip back, hinge from that hip and till that tailbone out. You will see that length happening into the hamstring. And the same concept is applied even when you're sitting. So trying to forward fold, keeping that spine straight. One more thing that really helps me is to think of arching my back like I'm doing a cobra stretch. This really stretches my hamstring. So a few things that you can practice is coming onto a tall surface, maybe table, chair. Just think of hinging the hip back, allowing the knees to bend and go down with that straightest spine possible and paddle your knees first. One leg at a time. Sometimes when your hamstring is too tight, it doesn't want to stretch together. So one leg at a time. And then you can slowly add both the knees to straighten and bend. Again, you see I'm not forcing to straighten it fully. That's not the aim because your hamstring is stretching from here. Think of this insertion point. So one leg, both leg, then maybe just on your thighs, shin, further shin. Yes, don't think of aiming for your toes. That's not going to help you reach your hamstring. Fix this stretch, fix this approach. One very important tip that I saved for the last one is your nervous system. Our body and our mind is very, very beautifully integrated and our nervous system supports this, right? So if you want to send signals and communicate to your nervous system that help me stretch, then you have to relax your body. The moment you start tensing to reach to a certain place, your body gets the signal that something's about to happen. I need to keep my radar up. The self-defense mechanism activates and it tenses everything. It tenses every muscle that you have in your body so it can brace you, hold you and save you. So you were trying to stretch, but everything is locked up because your nervous system thought that something's about to happen. So for that, next time you have to send signal to your nervous system that I'm fine, everything is okay. And how can you do that? By relaxing your face. So relax your face, send breath to the muscles and allow that process to help you gradually open and reach to that flexible hamstring. Yes? Give it a try.